Welcome back. If you're following me on TikTok and on my YouTube channel and Facebook, you know the theme I came up with for 2023 Christmas is Kissmas. And I have decided to make it all handmade. And my first project, other than the Gene Simmons and all the other members' mannequin heads to use as picks, and if you don't understand what I'm saying, just look back at the video. You'll see the first one that is finished, and that is the demon with his red tongue sticking out. I am going to make SnowGlobe quilted ornaments. And I had to search for all the materials on Amazon, except for this was at Joann, so I purchased a yard, all my pins, all my dress pins, the ribbon, and I'm going to use another black ribbon, but it's not sparkly, so I'm waiting for that to come in. I have the black jelly roll of 2x5 inch piece, and then I have this musical note ribbon that I'm going to place around the band of the snow globe. And then I already opened up my second jelly roll for the main color that's going to go with the main photo on this snow globe ornament. And the first thing you want to do is measure 2.5 inches. All your pieces already come 2.5 inches, so then you want to cut them 2.5 inches. And you want to make a bunch of them for one globe, one snow globe. And since I'm cutting green, I'm going to start with the Catman, okay, because he has green in him. So these are the ingredients. Stay tuned for part 2. We're on September 23. 2023, making snow globe quilted ornaments. Something that I was taught about 30 years ago. It's an old craft. If you don't understand it very well, there is plenty of YouTube videos on the topic. And let's get crafting. This is Basha. Hashtag Artist Freedom. Hashtag Bobsha's Coffee and Crafts. Hashtag Kissmas.